If you're scared to work out, these light dumbbell exercises are perfect for individuals of all abilities. I'm using a pair of adjustable dumbbells, but these go all the way down to 3 pounds at the lightest. We're gonna work your entire body, so let's begin. The first exercise, you're gonna need 1 dumbbell for a dumbbell goblet squat. Feet are gonna be hip width apart, and then you're going to bend your hips and knees gently at the same time so you lower your body to the ground. When doing this exercise, try to keep that dumbbell connected to your chest while keeping your chest nice and tall standing up. Go as low as you can. If you're able to, try to go all the way down, but if you can only go down about halfway without any pain or discomfort, start there. Try to keep equal balance pressure in your foot when going down and do 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. Keep that 1 dumbbell in your hand and you're going to bend over at your hips with your feet in a staggered stance position. Have that dumbbell down in front of you and we're going to do some bent over single arm dumbbell rows. Try to imagine bringing that dumbbell up towards your rib cage, pinching your shoulder blade at the top and then going all the way back down. You can hang on to an object if you need a little bit of extra balance as well. Of course, do 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions on both arms. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab both dumbbells here and do one of my favorite exercises. Feet hip width apart again. Those dumbbells are gonna rest in front of your thighs. And then you're gonna push your butt gently back slowly while letting those dumbbells ride all the way down your legs. There's a slight bend at your knees here, but most of the movement's coming from bending over at your hips while keeping your back nice and straight. This is a functional movement pattern, being the hinge that you do nearly all the time, multiple times a day. When doing this, try to just bring that dumbbell down to your shins before coming back up. Again, remember to keep that back nice and straight when going down. Next, you're gonna grab a stool or a bench to sit on to do some shoulder dumbbell press. This one is incredibly important to start with very lightweight, as a lot of people may struggle and push the weight in front of them and not exactly straight up. This is because it takes a lot of shoulder mobility to be able to push straight up instead of pushing forward. And by going light, you are able to build that movement pattern and really focus on pushing those dumbbells all the way back and up instead of letting them drift forward. Another key thing to mention here is to try to keep your core or tummy nice and tight through this entire movement and not falter forward or backward. And we'll finish by doing a core exercise by getting down in this position on the ground. Only 1 dumbbell for this one. And then what you're gonna do is do a lean back position where you're kind of holding like an isometric sit-up position for yourself. And then you're going to lean forward, reach that dumbbell towards one of your toes, tap it, bring that dumbbell back, lean into that isometric hold, and then repeat on the other direction. This is going to work your core strength tremendously, but also give yourself a little bit of mobility through your lower back and hamstrings as well, because of that far reach you need to do forward. Congratulations, you just hit your entire body with only dumbbell exercises. Of course, doing these with as light as weights as you want. Comment below your favorite exercises and any questions you might have.